What if I told you your next music video could be created in just a few hours with Freebeat AI? Hey everyone, Andy AI Swede here. Finally back with another AI-powered deep dive. Today we're exploring a platform that got me seriously excited, especially if you like turning music into visuals and music videos, like me. But first, I'll give you a moment to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Let's dive in. First head over to freebeat.ai, then press login. Now, you can sign up using your Google or Apple account or simply your email. Once signed in for the first time, you will be asked about your AI experience level and to confirm that you are over 18 years old. Pick your level of experience. If you are on a free plan, you can click the credits button and then the upgrade button to see all available plans. Yearly payments are cheaper per month than monthly payments. You can also buy extra credits. Let me give you a quick walkthrough of the features in freebeat.ai that I will use in this tutorial. You can generate music videos from 15 seconds up to a whole song, all synced to your track uploaded from any of the supported platforms such as Suno, Udio, YouTube or Spotify. You can also generate 4 to 10 second AI video clips from text prompts or images with different video generators. The prices in credits per second vary between them. And yes, you can get a discount with my code. And I have a giveaway coming up. Make sure to watch till the end of the tutorial. Let's take a look at what I've already made using the Music to Music video tool.
Magnus est Roma, lux mundi clara, legiones fortes invicta alma. Sub Achilles nostris terra tremit, senatus iussit populus vicit.
Come on, don't live a little bit. Happy Friday. Friday night, let me put you in the limelight. Ooh, put you in a trance and you might like it. Come on, it's a Friday night.
And here are a few examples of what I made with image to video in the AI video generator. And finally, an example of what I made with text to video in the AI video generator. Now, let's create a full music video using my Scottish hymn, Whiskey, Pipes and Kilts, made with Suno as all of my music.
Through the misty glen so wide, where the Highland rivers glide.
First, I will ask ChatGPT to generate cinematic visual ideas timed to each lyric. Then I paste the Suno link into Freebeat's Music Apps mode. Normally I would do 30 seconds at a time to get more control, but for the purpose of this tutorial I will do the full song at once. So I extend the cursor to the entire song, that is 3 minutes and 13 seconds. I press music video, and in your background idea I input my list of prompts from ChatGPT with the time codes in square brackets. If not already pre-selected, select Remove Watermark, choose the desired aspect ratio, generative model and video resolution. I generated this music video before the option to select a model was launched, but you can choose anyone from this list, and selectable video resolutions as well as prices in credits vary accordingly. You see the total cost in credits, and if all is good, press generate and lean back and have a sip of coffee while your video is being made. This one took 30 minutes to finish. Freebeat will email you once it's ready, so you don't have to sit around waiting. Here's a sneak peek at the result.
Through the misty glen so wide, where the highland rivers glide, there's a fire in my soul.
I forgot to timecode and make prompts for the instrumental parts. And since each clip generated is around 3 to 4 seconds, this led to images being off sync with the lyrics, but I am still happy with most of the visuals. Now, I want to add myself as a bagpipe player and singer in the video, so I use Artflow AI to clone myself and generate images that I animate and lip sync with Pixverse AI.
There's a fire in my soul.
To enhance the sound quality, I master my song with BandLab on a free account. Then I import everything into Premiere Pro and edit it together to match the lyrics. All but a few clips from Freebeat were used, and the result is a fully AI-generated music video. Just a quick note, the video generated with the music-to-music video feature tends to have a slightly slower pace compared to clips made with the AI video generator. This full video ended up using 965 out of my 1000 monthly credits on Freebeat. Since I ran out of credits before I could fine-tune everything, I regenerated a few clips using Pixverse instead. Stay tuned, I'll show you the full music video in just a moment.
Subscribe.
If you want to try Freebeat.ai, I've got a 10% discount code down below in the description, and yes, it helps support the channel, and I'm running a giveaway. Post a link in the comments to something you made with Freebeat AI, and I'll pick 3 persons to win a free month standard plan of the platform. Winners' comments will be replied to with "You have won." See further instructions in the description. Now finally, here's the full music video for Whiskey, Pipes and Kilts, created mainly with Freebeat.ai. I hope you like it.
Through the misty glen so wide, where the highland rivers glide, there's a fire in my soul, burning warm against the cold. From the tavern's golden glow, hear the pipes begin to blow, and the whiskey flows like rain, bringing life to men again. Oh, whiskey, pipes, and kilts so fine, raise your glass, lads, it's Highland time. Let the drums beat, let the tartans fly. We drink to the land where the eagles cry. In the hills where legends rise, echoes of the battle cries, claymore, steel, and hearts so bold, tales of warriors brave and old. But tonight we sing, we cheer, fill the cup with golden beer. For tomorrow who can say? So we drink this night away. Ooh, whiskey, pipes, and kilts so fine, raise your glass, lads, it's Highland time. Let the
From sky to sterling, loch to glen, the pride runs deep in Highland men. Blow whiskey pipes and kilts so fine, raise your glass, lads, it's Highland time. Let the bagpipes wail, let the Gaelic roar, Scotland forever,
By the way, my voice off screen was created by AI. I made a professional voice clone with ElevenLabs. And some of the footage with me in the car, like this one, was lip-synced to my AI voice with Pixverse. Please note that Freebeat.ai updates regularly with new and improved features. So, whether you're making an indie pop confession, a lo-fi love song, or an intergalactic dance anthem, Freebeat AI can help you bring it to life visually. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make some AI magic.